Hi, I'm gardening expert Michael Perry, and I'm here to help you get the most out of your indoor plants. Houseplants are generally very easy to care for. They tend to like to rest a little bit in the winter and have a little bit more water and some feed during the spring and summer months. When placing plants into bedrooms and living rooms, when the plants are slightly away from the window, that's a great position of indirect light. Venus flytraps are easy to grow as well and really fun for kids to get involved with growing. One of the best ways to care for your bathroom plants is to water them from below. So make sure your plant is either sitting in an outer container or in a saucer. And for some of your windowsills and more brightly lit rooms, you can choose a range of cacti and succulents. Cacti and succulents are super popular on social media right now because they're so photogenic. And for a real statement piece, why not experiment with trailing plants? You can hang them in any room of the home. We've got the string of beads here, as well as Pothos, which is a very interesting foliage plant with marbled leaves, extremely pretty for a hanging area. And with such a wide range of houseplants available, there really is one for every room of the home, and there are new varieties being introduced all the time.